Hello guys, this is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. In the previous section, we created two different repositories for two different developers to work on, and then they kind of exchanged their coding or code changes between each other. We communicated between those two repositories. So when we are talking about a small project and when we have small group of developers working on it, it's okay, it's feasible that you have your own local repositories, and then you kind of push your changes and fetch the changes from each other's repository. But when we're talking about a bigger project and we have a lot of developers working in a team, then this kind of workflow it might get a little confusing. So in the next tutorials, we're going to go ahead and talk about a centralized repository. But before that, I just want to give you a quick recap of all the commands that we discussed in this section. So we started with the git clone remote path. Now this particular command was used to copy our current repository into another repository, and this is the command that we used to create the Mary's repo, which was nothing but a clone of my-get repo. Then git remote, this particular command lists down your remote repository, means if it lists down which repositories are you connected with. So Mary's repo, since it was originated from my-get repo, Mary's repo was aware of my-get repo. So this particular command lists down which repositories you are aware of or you are connected to. Then if you are not connected to a particular repository and you want to connect to a particular repository because my-get repo was not aware of or had no connection earlier with Mary's repo, so we use this git remote add command to add that connection. Next is git fetch remote name. So if you want to download the remote branch information but you do not want to merge anything yet, okay, but you just wanted to get the information of those remote branches, this git fetch command downloads those remote branch information. Okay, then if you want to merge the changes or a remote branch into your check.branch, then you will use this git merge command, and you will tell that, okay, I wanted to merge Mary's repository master branch into my master branch. So then git merge remote branch is going to go ahead and merge the changes. Then you have is the git push. Now if you wanted to push a local branch to another repository, then you're going to go ahead and push that which particular branch do you want to push it. You specify that particular branch name, and then you also tell, okay, this is that particular branch that I wanted to go ahead and push to this particular repository. Next thing is there was this command git push remote name and the tag name. So this basically pushes the tag to another repository. Okay, so if you wanted to push a tag to another repository, you can go ahead and do that with this git push. The remote name means which particular repository are you talking about, and then the name of the tag that you want to push. So these are the list of the commands that we talked about in this tutorial.